Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery draining problem on your iPhone after iOS 26 update. So guys, if your iPhone's battery is draining very fast after iOS 26 update, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to general, and then go to iPhone storage, and from here make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then you have to simply delete some useless data from your iPhone storage, and after this go to apps and delete the useless apps from your iPhone as well. So guys, do this, and after this you have to go to background app refresh, and from here go to background app refresh and turn it off if it is on. So guys, you can see this, if it is off you have to simply turn it on, and after this go back, and now you have to go to date and time and set your date and time from here as well, and then go to VPN and device management, and from here make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if you are not using the VPN regularly you have to simply disconnect it. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time from here as well. So guys, do this, and after this go to battery, and then you have to go to the lower power mode from here, and you have to simply turn it on. So guys, here you can see this, if it is off you have to simply turn it on, and then go to auto brightness, and from here scroll it below and turn on auto brightness from here. So guys, here you can see this, if it is off you have to simply turn it on, and after this go back and now restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this make sure that you are not using multiple apps on your iPhone in the background. So guys, here you can see this, if your apps are running in the background you have to simply close all those apps that are running in the background and use at least one app at a time on your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this, there are multiple apps, you have to simply close all these apps, and then you have to simply use at least one app at a time which you are using. So guys, in this way you can also fix battery draining problem on your iPhone after iOS 26 update. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.